Now, the other thing that we've seen as a big shift and that we'll need to look at going forward is this change in customer expectations. Everybody expects to be able to do everything online. It doesn't mean you want to be forced to do everything online, but if your retail store didn't have online ordering before the pandemic, it probably does now. It doesn't mean that everybody has to use it, but it's going to be there. The same with services, everything from banking to government to lawyers, whatever. They're all doing digital commerce with their customers or digital interaction with their customers. And there's a reason that Amazon stock has gone up by more than 60% since the beginning of 2020. They know how to do online commerce and delivery logistics. So think about your organization. Can you provide that Amazon experience for your customers? And if not, they might be looking elsewhere, someplace that makes it easier for them to do their ordering and easier to get their orders fulfilled.